want every student to graduate with a global experience in their portfolio so that they're future and world ready. As the COVID-19 pandemic has transformed how learning happens and travel restrictions have limited traditional study abroad programs, we ask our faculty and staff for their best ideas that leverage virtual technology and the global local connections we have in our community and around the world to create new experiential learning opportunities. Today, I'm thrilled to announce the Education Abroad Office and Office of Global Strategies have funded 25 virtual programs and curriculum integration projects through the Global Experiences Innovation Fund that will give students new ways to engage with the world. Launching this fund is also one of the first steps we're taking to accomplish the first goal of our global strategy. These virtual programs, which will launch in summer 2021, are different from other virtual classes because they replicate the intercultural experiences students get from faculty-led programs abroad. These global experiences go far beyond textbook readings and class discussions because our faculty and staff have found unique ways to place hands-on learning and cultural competency at the core of these programs. Each program offers meaningful interactions with the host country and community, and our funding allows students to access these opportunities in an affordable way. What these global experiences create for students and what we create together as an institution will outlast the pandemic, so that we can emerge on the other side with a broad menu of options to offer students global experiences. These global experiences will help bring the world closer to students in our classrooms, whether they're virtual, across campus, or in another country. Congratulations once again to the faculty and staff who will lead these 25 innovative global experiences. I look forward to seeing the impact they leave in making students future and world ready.